Hello everyone, it's time to share the good stuff again. And what we are bringing you to today is the SL-936D Digital Heating Soldering Iron. If you want to light up, Sunshine SL-936D Digital Heating Soldering Iron is your best choice. At domestic and foreign. Imported ceramic heating core, fast heating speed, no need to wait. Equipped with extremely fine antistatic iron head, heat conduction is rapid. Have it, let your repairing be easy. Thank you for your attention today. We will see you next time.